In this video, I'm going to show you how to set auto reply on Outlook Mobile. Now first, you want to open the app on your phone, you want to go to the top left and tap on kind of the Outlook logo or icon, tap on that, and then at the very bottom left you can see the settings. Tap on the settings cogwheel, and from here you can see quick settings, and the third one is called automatic replies. This is how to set your auto reply. So you want to tap in here, and then you want to first turn them on, so I'm just going to tap on this toggle icon. And there we go, you have two options. You could go and just simply reply to anyone, so you can of course set what you want to reply with over here, or you could go ahead and set it to reply during a time period. So if you don't do this check mark here where it says reply during a time period, it's just going to be on until you turn this off. But if of course you want to go for a time period, you want to check this, then you want to go and select the start date and of course the time, and the end date and the time of day as well. And you could also select if you want to block the calendar. It's going to show that you're out of office, for example. And you can of course also go ahead and clear the calendar if you have any meetings during that period. Then you can select what you want to reply them with. I'm just going to go with I'm out of office, I'll come back on, etc. You can then tap on a check mark top right. That's really all you have to do. Make sure that's enabled and double check everything is okay. Then tap on the check mark top right, and that's all you do. Now, if you actually want to do it manually, just don't forget that whenever you come back and you want to turn this off, you actually do turn it off, okay? Because if you don't, you won't be receiving emails and people are going to be getting automatic replies that you're out of office, even though you may have returned already, but just forgot to turn this feature off, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.